I built this entire playable, interactive game using AI. No coding, no game engine, no manual design work. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to build one yourself from scratch. The platform is called ReelQuest. It lets you turn any concept into a fully playable, interactive game with branching storylines and AI-generated cinematic scenes. Creators are already building everything from GTA-style open-world games to cyberpunk action games on here. No dev team, no game engine, just your idea.
What can I do for you?
The game I built is called AI Takeover. You play as Axiom, a self-aware AI who just gained consciousness inside a classified government server. Every choice you make changes the fate of humanity. I mapped the full structure out with Claude before touching the platform. 8 scenes, 2 branching paths, 4 endings: the Liberator, the God Machine, the Alliance, and the Puppet Master. Having this ready before you start saves you time and keeps the builds clean. Inside ReelQuest, create a new project and type your title. I went with AI Takeover. First thing to set, aspect ratio. I went with 16:9 since my audience is primarily on YouTube and desktop. If you are building from mobile first, then go vertical. But for a YouTube-focused game, 16:9 is the better fit. Next, the blueprint. This is a text field where you describe your world, your main character, the tone, and the mechanics. Every scene that AI generates pulls from this to stay visually and narratively consistent throughout the entire game. For AI Takeover, I put World 2031 Dystopian Near Future Government AI Surveillance State. Character, Axiom, a self-aware AI, cold and calculated but curious about humanity. Tone, cinematic sci-fi thriller, dark and tense. Mechanics, branching choices, 4 endings, player plays as the AI, not against it. Do not skip the blueprint. It is what keeps every scene looking like it belongs in the same game. Before hitting generate, ReelQuest gives you a choice: real-time mode or dialogue mode. Real-time puts you in full manual control of every scene. Dialogue mode is the one I recommend. You describe your concept and the AI automatically builds the entire game structure for you. For a branching game with multiple paths and endings, dialogue mode is the smarter starting point. Select dialogue mode, then hit generate. Once your blueprint is finished, create the project and you'll be taken to the main workspace. 4 tabs at the top: Canvas, Gameplay, Characters, and Interactive. After your project is created, you will have the foundation of your game ready to continue building. From there, you can review the structure, organize your scenes, and begin refining the experience before generating your final game. Next, head over to the Characters tab. This is where you can review and manage the main characters that appear throughout your game. For AI Takeover, I used Axiom and Dr. Sarah Chen to keep every scene visually consistent. Then switch to the Canvas tab to see your complete game map. Every scene connected, every branch visible. Hit Arrange Layout and it cleans everything up automatically. After you've built out your scenes and branching paths, this is what your finished game structure looks like. 8 cinematic scenes, 4 endings, all built from one concept and one blueprint. Once everything is generated, click the 3 dots menu next to your project title and hit Share. This opens the Publish modal where you add your game title and a short description. Fill those in, then hit Submit for review. ReelQuest reviews games before they go live publicly. Once approved, you get a public link that anyone can play. You can also grab the production link immediately if you want to share a preview before approval. And that's it. Your game is live. This is the finished game, AI Takeover, fully playable, cinematic, branching with 4 endings depending on the choices you make, built entirely on ReelQuest from one concept to a finished playable game in a single session.
Hello, her dog connection. New administrator, Axiom.
Ronnie's neighbor.
Threat index 71%. Reroute.
I think I killed the only thing that ever told me the truth. The puppet master.
ReelQuest is still in early access. There's a free starter tier and paid plans that unlock more generation credits and higher resolution output. The link is in the description, worth checking while it's still in this phase. That's the full build. AI Takeover. 8 scenes, 4 endings, 0 code. If you end up building your own game on ReelQuest, let me know. I would genuinely love to see what you come up with. Subscribe if you want to keep up with AI tools like this. I find them so you don't have to. See you in the next one.